students, today we are going to discuss about Indus Valley Civilization, which is in the 6th standard social science, term 1, lesson 3 in history part. In the last video, we have discussed about the hidden treasures of Indus civilization, and this is the continuation. And then now the topic is ornaments. Ornaments. In Indus Valley civilization peoples, they wore lot of the different types of the jewelers. So we are going to see now the important jewelries. Okay. Ornaments were popular among men and women. Men and women. They adorned themselves with necklace, armlets, bangles, finger rings, ear studs, anklets. These are the ornaments, and the ornaments were made up of gold, silver, ivory, shell, copper, terracotta, and precious stones. Copper. Copper was the first metal discovered and used by humans. Here, horse and iron were unknown to the people of Indus. Horse and iron, unknown to the Indus Valley people. Then the Indus people used the red quartz stone called carnelian to design the jewelry. And this is the ornaments, the secret of ornaments in the Indus Valley civilization peoples. Now, who governed them? The Indus Valley civilization peoples were governed by the central authority. These authorities controlled the planning of towns and overseas trade and maintenance of drainage and peace in the city. So, the central authorities, that there exists a overall control. Central authorities are overall controlled plannings of these towns. Occupation. The main occupation of the Indus civilization people is not known. However, agriculture, handicrafts, pottery making, jewelry making, weaving, carpentry and trading were practiced. There were merchants, traders and artisans. Rearing of cattle was another occupation. People of those times knew how to use the potter's wheel. They reared domesticated animals. So, these are their main occupations. The pottery. The topic is pottery. Pottery was practiced using the potter's wheel. It was well fired. Potteries were red in color with beautiful designs in black. Beautiful designs in black. The broken pieces of pottery have animals, figures and domesticating designs on it. The broken pieces of pottery have animals, figure and geometric designs on it. Okay, let us move to the next topic. Next, religious belief. We don't have any evidence point to specific deities or their religious practices. There might have been worship of Mother Goddess, which is concluded based upon the excavation of several female figurines. Toy culture. Toys like carts, cows with movable heads and limbs, clay balls, tiny doll, small clay monkey, terracotta squirrels eating a nut, clay dogs and male dancer have been found. They made various types of toys using terracotta, which show that they enjoyed playing. And at last, what happened to Harappans? What happened to Harappans? Repeated floods. Next, ecological changes. Invasions, natural calamity, deforestation and an epidemic. So, these are the causes may occur the decline of Harappan civilization. And one more information about this. The archaeological site at Mohenjo-daro has been declared as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Then, radiocarbon dating method, a standard tool for archaeologists, also known as C14 method. The radiocarbon method uses the radioactive isotope of carbon called carbon-14 to determine the age of an object. The general facts about the Indus civilization. It is among the oldest in the world. It is also the largest among 4 ancient civilizations. The world's first planned cities are found in this civilization. The Indus also had advanced sanitation and drainage system. There were a high sense of awareness on public health. So, the Indus Valley civilization lesson is over. Thank you.